ia ka poster film jong ka wei ka film khasi ka bathamai ka balai ka teng ahor ia ka bala long trai dau ba hilarious barbecue bat ka bala direct dau ba Kenny Lengdo la palai pai ba dau sembut menteri rang ba ka sarkar jela ba Preston Tensong ha ka jingilang ka bala padlong hasilong klub ha ka arpu khandai tere kunai lor arjara arpuar uba Preston Tensong ha ba jingkren ulong ba ye ka them yo maulong ka baljusa dagi khar metor menta ka sarkar kan sachnano daga ying peni cinema bat ka yo na benta ginong shong di jingdi uba Preston Tensong ulai thu ba ye ketika jaka andal thli kan salong ka wei na ki jaka ka bat pen internet ye ka sor shalong ka sarkar kan kentiu ye ki riu dan sap jong ki samla ha po ka jela kentup ye ka kamruai ke kam siau ne ka kam shat ka kam kemen Shishu uba Preston Tensong ulakula ruah kamat ki tengshop ki poron bat ki nong shana film baga sarkar kan chanano ye ki ying pen i film haman ki distrik ha ki jenglot ka bar klor tengka ha ka bai de bat ka khajna bala o na ki film khasi uba Preston Tensong ulakhot ye ki nong yelam bat ki nong shana film banwan ye kendu kerpang ye u na ka benta ban ye pen bet ye sibon ba ki jington kam ha ka te ki jingilang lai don lang ru uba komandar sang pliang ubri presiden jong Meghalaya Filmmaker Association uba hilarious barbecue ubri utrai jong film ahor nang ta utrai nong peniat jong biju cinema bat kiwei uba komandar sang pliang ha ba jingkran ha ka ne sngi ulong ba udap da jingkermen ba sarkar jela menta ka kenti kan le AA na ka benta ki nong shana film khasi bat ki nong penmi film khasi ha po ka jela namar kal jenlong kum ka karkhana penmi film kabalaban ai kam ajam mi kisam la don sap hapo ka jela kane ka film khasi ka bathamai ya ka balai kerteng ahor kadik balab ya ka pali ban penino ha ki ying penni film hanong ba shalong hapo biju cinema bat la kermen ru ban yo no ban penni ne ka film ha ki ne ki banai banwan bat kermen ru bagi paj ba akin ai ka jing krisyan ya kane ka film khasi ka bathamai
ba kane ka film kan long si sa ka jing toy ba ka ba ya yo ba
Diki bang ai dia isau belbu kum disak mau wedi bang ni sisa ketiga free untuk poster lepas berdunia ini tapi jangan saya sedih sebel kebelang fokus ini how can I not pra naduga kendai naduga kalai trek kebencian pun mau keman ya ke leadership to be bah kanu nilai exact na banta pun video ya ke filmmaking ha speed but minta kesenam belang kumba you dalam mesin cisha ke berang ini kasih prosper ka filmmaking yang fokus state pak ni yos nama host ka international film festival ngatrai dengan penitu IEW yang ni thap ti jam nama dah iwa commander champion jika dia kita mengira semua sesuatu but very very dia apa baksan ni kita nak kejelas juga health farmers union Bridgewood
Harisha ada beri bom dasar tenatan banyak pelaj pelim bar pengamnang ni ladi tengah itu nat tamat pe tenrei menta kadai ka opportunity yang banglak banyak don lang bat pi barok ubah komander neula dep kren sibun ki issues hakabede bat ka film making industry. And quite a number of times we have taken up this issue very, very seriously. Number one, recently I had a meeting with Urban Affairs Department because a lot of petitions we received, and ultimately we decided to have one dedicated cinema hall in Shillong. But that will take little more time because shifting or relocating that Yeo Maolong to other side is going to happen. You know that Yomolong, we wanted to develop it, to beautify it. We wanted to have a proper shopping mall and also a proper cinema hall. So that is the first decision we have taken just a few days back. I am very sure in the years to come, we will accomplish this intention of the government. Ngikwa ban kentiu ya kasap kapong jogi kun samla jogi piong hakalan joga jingruai piong hakaliang jongka cingsat hakaliang jongka acting bat senrang bat kentei ngiyadon laga jongka sap. Number 2, ngidang ya plan ban ngakwa ru ya ka association la dong wala sangau bahaban wan kendu yang awan no khap loi maybe few districts ngila ban construct lene ban establish ya ki cinema hall ya kata ngila ya ai ka assurance namar bahkan it does not involve much financial implication. If we can have maybe 1.5 to 2 crores, I think that is good enough in the district level. In the district level, 1.5 up to 2 crores maximum, I think we'll be able to come it up. Then nakaliang Joko Sorkar, Nasyong Epi, we are there with all of you. What do men say? Lada silap kawai kaplim, pio ya kejing siu. Kadai kembaong ni bak koman. Lada don tang san riutuli hakasisnet ngatrai la ya kala model lut piong karyam piong kabam kadi bat ka employment kabagio tingilayu iya kani ke area kani ke sektor bangi don kam baka don ke potentiality ya bat ngikuang asisya ban kentiu ban ngai scam ko mo pihak ini kipor ki banwan ngin pen urlong yaki ki shoes jongka taxes ya kan niru ngatrai kan banga be pinora ya ki ki bangila GST ngin nam ngim don bor mangi na state government. We don't have authority from the state government to reduce the GST, but of course we will be able to take it up with the central government. And our Chief Minister, he is also the member of the GST Council. Maybe we will take it up in the council itself. But as far as state taxes is concerned, we are there to negotiate. We are there to help you out. Dikata ka bang akwa bandong yapi, te nginam yubun ketensu, namar kani kadai ka jamit ka bangi release, ya kadai ka film, ahor. Sumanong ngai kublay yang ni yui yang ni ki miss ki model ki bawan ra ya kanam ya ka burong jong ka jela ya kanam ka burong jong ki kun samla dengan sumanong tongin ya trisi tomlang banang ketiu susu ya kanam ya ka burong jong ka jela mikla jungi po prangut mau deh kumbasau po prangut kinongrai ki badon la ka jong kasap tena kadang mau pi kaniru kadi kawi ka area ka bangila la sibat ketiu kum ka employment opportunity kata ka bang aku ada mau pi kitu kinong ruai baro kitu kinong syat sngau shisha komadon hang the Mumbai ka ba i nga sngau thik kumang ta bang ong ka Bollywood ne ka Hollywood ngam tipsu mo te itenat ngau pi ngai i bakadon shisha ka jikrmen doble kurku kurdok lang yang iwe akan dengan bad haki por kisngi kibanwan
ngasukumen ba hilar ba pilar wanra yo deputy chief minister hakani karansan jo kinong sinaflen namar balay nakapor siya kapor kum kinong sinaflen ngijupun sngo ya kijing don kam jongi kum kinong sinaflen haka government sa kani ke industri kadai ka industri ka ba shispa krurtam Henry kadai pat ke industri Kaba 4 ya keren ke jing shisha. 4 ya keren. Ngisu kemen ke government kalau recognize si ke filmmaking kum ke industry. Tehnrai ngam kenua sa ya ka government ni kini kita namar ba lese kadang don kam shibun kapor ba pinang smutu kum ka government. Kei kini ka filmmaking. Kei ki area hang ni. Ka kumno ngilaban generate revenue. Kumno ngilaban generate employment. Ka government kamla ban aikam ya baro white collar job. Don't expect pihak ban yang halagi chungki kcha. Ka filmmaking ngala ongi fi kadi 100 crore, more than 100 crore industry. Tehnrai hadu menta ngidang yaksai. Kadang yaksai jing shisha kadi don tang kawai kadau. Kam don kawai ke shibun ba kidau. Kam don re kino. Kadang tang kawai ngi pong ki sopti ki ba internet, ngi pong ki judi ki ba internet, don ki badeng ke baje ke kamrem, don ki bapong lese halakajong ke jing mo kiriam ki bet ngampat ya keren syaba. Kini ki company ki basina ya kini ki produk ki don lakajong ke market. Ki don lakajong ke yo. Te ladangi pai pat haka produk ke jungi ngipun ke produk. Te ngimdon ke nya kani ka jaka pengindi. Except biju senama. Nak kata kadau mene iba hilar isa ai kublai teng ero nak ai kadau namar ngisu tu sir, for your information ka film ka juk manakani ka collection jongka I think it's 35 40 lakhs, but I got to know from Gautam that he had to pay around 8 lakh GST. Yes. 8 lakh GST, sir. We contribute to the state exchequer. Moreover, Gautam, when he do business here, he has to pay TDS, right, Gautam? Income tax. So that income tax again, from what he got from the share, from where we screen our movie, again he has to deposit to the state exchequer. That again another revenue, sir. So total altogether must be around, so GST 18% plus the income tax 30% plus. So now, sir, you can understand how much revenue we do contribute just from one hall, sir. Bijus nama. Sir, mendai bagi pajba jungi kim support ikiflim kasih ki support pa. But can you imagine, for example, Lasha yang lipen ikiflim jungasha Barato. Barato is far. It's in the border of Assam, so you cannot expect them to come to Shillong and watch movie. Even from Jawai, na Jawai ro mentakim long kalajengai palat sa Shillong. Nanong stoin kalajengai palat ban page ki film. Nri an sakawi ke kana sa manhakane ngawan peni ke film jonga kandailat hang ni hapo nong stoin. Siapa kadon kene ka Jakadi Narot. It's a go down, make of it go down. And hajrong kalat kene ka hall, so ngihayar ya ketu ka hall. So hapo kidang ya di narot mo, we cannot complain. Tang an sejurang kia risa an kadap ka hol ngasuk men. So you can imagine, sir. Kini gidi kendiat kensoy kiba numla ban China hall. It's okay, kam lai. Tangba maybe wanra da ki kenja kinu kibangin encourage kini ki entrepreneur bakin China ki hall. For example, I asked Gautam, why Gautam you didn't expand your business, maybe make 1 or 2 more hall across the state? He told me, see commander, the government fixed the rate of the tickets, whereby we cannot, in fact it has to be a free ticket, a free rate, right? Whereby this is being practiced across the country. So whereas in Meghalaya, the government fixed the ticket rates. So kini ki bamut ban China hall kim long kalong race ki namantaban bakin expand issue. I think some of them like Inox and all everyone they have come. So my point is, sir, a policy needs to be see. Maybe we should come and maybe in fact, sir, if you give us time, we can come from the Meghalaya Filmmaker Association along with Gautam, and from the association we can discuss what needs to be done, because as I have said, bahkan ni ke industri kalong kebayar pa hadu mentangi ngimpat siu bon sa tangba kidon ki actress ngilaya siu hi silak tam kawi ka film ngimpat la ban siu bon kuma asam kilaya siu tu dan bala yo sanlat dan bala yo nrulak ki aktor tang kawi ka film tingi te mentah silak tam hingi siu long ada hayat ke bakam tam geng te for example ada itai aktor actress yo santeli ka film haka sisnem te kamot watang ni silak ila yo sanlat nrulak itu ilalahi somehow ban ya im malumala dan ri ngi kum kinong syafem ngim la ban aibun namar bali ngim yo ya ka jakapan i ngidon baitang hang deha biju te for example ke biju ke bahit ke kolek kita lai pulak tam dan ri ladang ngidon cibu kawai nong stoin kawai hajawai kawai hamairang kawai kumta ter te ngangis kem kawai ka fun ke bahit kanom duna ya ka shikrul collection sa